alaikum, my dear students. My name is Muhammad Noman. How are you, my dear students? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to Advanced English Grammar. Today our topic is the transitive and intransitive verbs. The verbs are come under two categories: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. First, we have to know what is a transitive verb. A verb which has an object that receives the action to complete its meaning in the sentence is called the transitive verb. A transitive verb requires the direct object to complete its meaning is called a transitive verb. Without the direct object or without the object, a transitive verb does not give us a complete meaning, a complete sense. We must use over there with the transitive verb the direct object. I have written over here a simple example. Let's talk about that. For example, Ali is writing a letter. Here, Ali, a subject, is a helping verb. Writing is a main verb. Letter, an object. Here the subject Ali does the action, and that action passes over to the object. That action goes to the object, which is a direct object, and here this action is being received by the object. Here this action is done on the object, which is a letter. If you remove this letter, this object from here, so it will not give us a complete meaning, a complete sense. For example, Ali is writing. Now the question will be risen, the doubt will be risen, the ambiguity will be risen over there in your mind. What are you talking about? What or to whom he is writing? What he is writing? What is Ali writing? The ambiguity will be there in your mind. But if I say here, Ali is writing a letter, the ambiguity has been removed from our mind. It's removed from our mind. There is no ambiguity, there is no doubt over there in our mind. Now we are clear, and here in this condition, it gives us a complete meaning. The action is being done on a letter. Ali is writing a letter and Bob is eating an apple. Here apple is an object. It receives the action. It is a direct object. Now here eating and writing, they are two verbs which are transitive verbs. Now we have to know how to find a direct object. How we will find a direct object? So one of the best solution has given here. Through this we can know how to find the direct object. Say the subject and verb followed by the question What are who? These are two WH words, two WH questions. What are whom? After the subject, the verb, we would say these two WH questions. So through this we can know we can know a transitive word. For example, Ali is writing, we would say Ali is writing what are whom. If there is answer, so that will be a transitive word. What Ali is writing, Ali is writing what are whom. Ali is writing a letter. So now we hear now the direct object. So it will be a transitive word. Through these two questions we can know the transitive word. Now here let's talk about the intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs cannot have a direct object. Without the object, it gives us a complete sense, a complete meaning. There is no need of the direct object or the object. Without that, we can understand that is an intransitive verb. For example, Ali is laughing. No need of the direct object. Bob is walking. Now here if you ask the question, Ali is laughing what? Who? At whom? At what? No answer is available there. So it means it is an intransitive verb. Bob is walking. Bob is walking what are whom? No answer is available there. So it means they are intransitive words. Okay? Sometimes a transitive word takes two objects, and that is called the ditransitive verb. Sometimes a transitive verb takes two objects. Two objects will be available there, so it means they are ditransitive verbs. For example, ditransitive words, direct object and indirect words. I gave him rice. This is direct object. Rice here is a direct object which receives the action. Now here I gave him, yes, rice, direct object. I gave him rice. Rice here is a direct object, rice. Indirect object here is him, object, which is an object. Him here is indirect object. But here is a point, don't get confusion. Let's know about this. If you say here, I gave him rice, simple example. But if you put the direct object after the main verb, so then you have to put over there to. I gave rice to him. Rice, direct object. To him, indirect object. So in this condition, we will put here over here to between these two words. This is our last class. This is our class about the transitive and intransitive words. And after this, inshallah, we will be talking about the linking words, the auxiliary verbs, and the modal verbs in detail. Subscribe to our channel. The name of our channel is Spread the Useful Knowledge. Spread these videos Share these videos with your friends and with your relatives through WhatsApp, Facebook, and Messenger. Thanks a lot of you. Thanks a lot.